Hi ladies, hi gents. I want to share a project with you today. Diana, that's Spare Marbles 2012, sent me this wonderful bird cage and the candlestick to go with it. And I've been working on this project over a couple of weeks, just where I've had time and been able to work on it. So it has taken me a while, and that's why I haven't had any projects up. I've had other stuff going on, but I finally finished it, thank goodness. And I just want to share with you today how I've decorated it. Oh, go check out Diana's channel, because she's doing videos now and she's got amazing work on there. You will absolutely love it. So I'm going to pop a link to her channel in the description box for you to go and check out her channel. Okay, so this is the birdhouse, and what I'll do is I'll run through what I did first, and then I'll show you things as I go. Okay, so let me go. On the roof I used some of the amazing vintage lace that Diana sent me, and the piece I actually used was like this piece. And what I did is I put it into panels on the roof all the way around, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I'm so happy. And then on the top of this piece there was another one of these strips, and I just trimmed that off and I used it for the braiding down each section and around the top here. Also I used another piece of the vintage lace just to do this little piece so that it just gently overhung here. So I've done that all the way around, and I am so happy with the roof. Okay. Okay, that's the roof. Okay, if I go down a bit, on the edges here and round the base I've just used some tiny braiding in the nearest colour that I could get to the vintage lace. So it's really tiny. It's this one. And I think that just finished off the edges really nice. Oh, I should say I did give it a wash of cream paint. So I mixed cream paint with water and just washed over the bare wood. And then I just added bits of distressing to make it look aged here and there. Then in these two corners I just used some of the tiny metal corners. I used a brown alcohol ink to stain them. Sorry, please, no, an ambulance is going past, sorry. Just to put in these corners. I do want to put a little banner or words here yet, but I just haven't found the right one yet that I want to put above the door. Okay. Let me see if I can focus in on this. Wrong way. So around the bottom of the cage I've intertwined roses and little sprays, just to give it look like the roses are growing up the bird cage. So I've done that all the way around, and I've used a mixture of creams, taupe and darker brown. So that's that. Okay. And then I want to show you what I've done on the floor of the bird cage. So in here on the floor, I was thinking of putting some moss or something like that, but then I decided to use some of this twine or jute or whatever you want to call it, to give it a Hessian look on the floor. So what I did is I wound it round all the way so it looks like a mat. And thank goodness for tweezers and long-handled paintbrushes, because that took the longest time to do. But I am really happy with how that turned out. And of course, inside I have my little birdie perched. I think he looks really cute, and his colours just were perfect for this piece. I can't do that with my nail. Okay, so then Diana also sent me the wonderful candlestick. I mean, with just withdraw a bit, okay. And then on the candlestick I also used the twine and wrapped it round some of the areas, and then at the base I just used the same braiding again and the same flowers that I used on the bird cage. There's the twine with the braiding on the edges. Okay, so that's the candlestick. Okay, let's see if I can get a full shot in. So this piece is really quite tall, and I've got the perfect place on my windowsill for it, along with my other bird cages. But I have to say, this is probably my favourite now. I loved altering this so much, and I really wanted to keep it in a vintage style, and I didn't want to over embellish it. I just wanted it to be about the lace on the roof, the floor of the cage, and then just very simple and vintage looking. And I am just so happy with how it turned out. So I'm just going to give you a closer look at the roof. See this gorgeous lace. Thank you so much, Diana, for the bird cage and the lace. I just love working with it. It's amazing. So there's the floor and the birdie. All the gorgeous flowers. And then this amazing candlestick. It's just amazing. So that's my altered bird cage, and I hope you all like it. It did take me a long time, but I got there. And the flowers are a mixture of Wild Orchid Crafts and some others that I've picked up along the way. And I think I've covered everything. Yeah, I think so. So I hope you like that, and I'm just going to see if Alfie will just make a little appearance, because you will not believe how much he has grown. I'm just going to have a sip of my tea and then take my camera and see if he'll say hello. I'll just take it off my tripod. I'll try not to make you dizzy. Okay, let me see. I'll just cover you up while I move. Alfie! Okay, there's Alfie. Hello. You going to say hello? Alfie, come here. Come here. Come on then. Come on. You want to say hello? What's this? Here you go. Come on. Come and get it. Come on then. Get it. Do you want it? Good boy. And he's a bit sleepy. Are you going to give me a paw? Sit. Good boy. Okay, there's Alfie sitting. Paw. Good boy, Alfie. Other paw. Other one. That one. This paw. Oh, this one. Okay, paw. Thank you. Can I have the other one? Good boy. Good boy, Alfie. Now lie down. Lie down. Good boy. Where's Monkey? Where's your monkey? Go get Monkey. Go get Monkey. Where's Monkey? Here's Monkey. Good boy. Can I see Monkey? Let's show Monkey. This is his monkey, his favourite toy. He has got so big. I'll show you Monkey while he's having a scratch. This is Monkey without his eyes, because Alfie pulled his eyes off. So we took the eyes away. So this is Monkey. Here you go, Alfie. Alfie. Here's Monkey. Good boy. He's got so big. He really has. Right, Alfie, we're saying bye now. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Give me a paw. Bye-bye, everyone. And we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.